All right, today we are staying at the Hyatt place in Westminster, Colorado. We are on the second floor in room 226, as you can see right here on that red dot here on the fire map. So it is an electronic key card door, and there is a safety lock, peephole, the fire map, and a do not disturb card. So right when you come in, you'll see this big, large sliding door for the bathroom. Once you come in, you'll see this large mirror right here along the wall, and it has a light all the way around. Here is the sink. They do have bar soap and they have towels provided. Also a hair dryer down here. Then we pan over here, and here is the toilet with the trash can right here. And then when you pan over, here is the shower. They have the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner right there on the wall and the pumps. And then they have some towels right here on the wall, and also more right there on that shelving. Now we'll come around. Then if you come to this side of the room, you can pan out. First we have a desk with a hotel phone and a pen pad and notepad for your convenience. And then here will be a microwave and an instant coffee maker with some supplies and an ice bucket. There are outlets around for your working convenience. And then if we pan over here, we have the sofa bed. The sofa bed does have a bed under this part of the couch that pulls out, and there's extra sheets, so this can turn into an extra bed for 2 people. But it is a couch with a nice light fixture overhead. This is a 2 queen bedroom. So here are both of the beds, and there are lamps in between the beds. Also, we have an alarm clock right here in the middle on the nightstand. Big window, and outside you're just facing the mountains and the highway out in Westminster, Colorado. There is central heating and air, and here's the thermostat for that right here on the wall. And then if you pan over, there is a big closet with plenty of room. And in here is a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, some hangers, and then there's those extra sheets and blanket for that sofa bed. And then if you come on over here, there's a TV right there. And here are some extra storage area for you. 3 pull-out drawers there, and the TV remote. And then right under here, when you pull this out, you'll be able to see the mini fridge right here. So that concludes the Hyatt Place, Westminster, Colorado. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.